Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video we'll talk about Apple's new passwords app. Now this is a new app. It was initially just a setting on your iPhone's setting, but now it's a dedicated app. So this is after the new iOS 18 update. So let's just search for it. So this is the app right here. Now after you open it, you will see that this is the welcome page right here. Now as it says right here, you can easily save and fill passwords with autofill. You don't need to remember your password anymore. You can trust this with secure encryption. You can seamlessly sync your passwords. This means that you can share your passwords between your different devices, that is your iPhone, iPad, Mac, your Vision Pro, even your Windows PC. So now let's move on. So after you tap on continue, you will see that passwords app notification. You can allow it or not, it's up to you. So right here you will see all of your passwords, all of your saved passwords. If you go to your Wi-Fi, you will see all of the Wi-Fi and the passwords. Now you can even select all. You can see your passkeys. Now here there is a really interesting feature, that is shared groups. Now if you tap on it, you will see that you can add your trusted contacts. You can share passwords with them too. You can choose what to share, and you're the one in control. So let's just tap on continue, and here you can add your group name. You can add people from here. So this is a really cool feature. If you tap on the plus icon right on the bottom right, you can even add new passwords. You can type in the username, you can type in the password, and you can just add notes. So yeah, this is the new passwords app, and this is a really great feature, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.